In today's video, we're going to write an equation for a proportional relationship from a table. So if we have a problem like this that says there is a proportional relationship between the number of hours driven, x, and the distance covered in kilometers, y, write an equation for the relationship between x and y. And here we have all our x numbers, and here we have all our y numbers in this table. So the first step, two variables have a proportional relationship if the ratio of one variable to the other is constant. What that means is we would need to calculate the ratio of y to x, or basically y over x. Okay, so that's what that means. So let's do that calculation. Ratio of y to x. So y over x, so it's 9 over 3 equals 3. And then here it's 12 over 4 also equals 3. 15 over 5 equals 3. 18 over 6 also equals 3. And then 21 over 7 equals 3. So we can see that the relationship is proportional. The constant of proportionality is 3. Okay? So now a proportional relationship between x and y can be modeled by the equation y equals kx. Okay? So k is the constant of proportionality in this case, and we've calculated that. It's equal to 3. So now we just need to put in our equation. So for this problem, k equals 3 kilometers per hour. So our equation for the relationship is y equals 3x. And that's it. That's how you do that type of problem. It's not very complicated. If you don't understand it, you're probably just one explanation away from getting it. So just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could take a look at the link down there in the description, and there is a link to the ebook. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to the video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.